Welcome guys to 12 Android development tutorial. And in the last tutorial we just talked about the files we have in our IDE. So let's try and run this basic template of application that our IDE has generated for us. So how can you run this application? But this application is only displaying hello on the activity. It's just displaying hello world, and if you go to text here, you see it very tiny hello world somehow there. Okay, let's try to run this program, this application now. So if you have a physical device, you can use it to run your application, or you can use your emulator. So I recommend using your emulator if you have a higher RAM computer, or your computer can run an emulator. So for me, this process will be very slow, so I'm going to run this application on my physical device. Then I'm going to show you guys on the screen. I'm going to show my physical device on the screen for you guys to see how this application is like. So if you have your physical device with you, you can use your USB cable. Here you can buy your USB cable, and sometimes most of the USB cable does not function for this kind of stuff, so you need to buy a unique USB cable which can function for this stuff. So if let me connect my smartphone. So if you click on this play button here, after initializing, it will show you the devices that is connected to my laptop or to your laptop. But now there's no device connected and no USB device or running emulator detected. And available virtual devices. These are virtual devices, emulators that I can use, but I will not be using this because it makes my system very slow. So I will not recommend that for any low computer device. So now I connect my Tecno DP7 CPRO, and you can see it here, connect devices. So if I run this application here in my device, Android Studio will launch. After building the application, it will launch it into my device, and I'm going to show you guys. So feel free to connect your device, and if Android Studio is not seeing your device in the connected device here, go to your Android settings, go to build numbers, and tap on the developer options. Then just activate it, or just look for any tutorial on YouTube that describes how to do that. Then after that, if Android Studio is not seeing your device again, maybe you need to update your driver, and second thing, change your USB cable. So let me run this on my physical device, and so the build is starting. After building, it will launch your application for you. All this process we did in the previous tutorial. So we can see Android Studio is installing the APK of our application. APK means Android package, installing it into my physical device, and launching activity. No. have our beautiful Android application which says hello world. At the top is saying my first app, which was the name we gave when we are creating our project. And then second is saying hello world. So if this is not what you're seeing on your screen, if it's giving an error, try to comment and I may help you out. So but if you're having this as your result, then congrats, you make your first application in Android Studio. So we are going to edit this application here and create our project, our own project. So see me in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my tutorial.